Make sure you guys subscribe. We are going car shopping today at one of the most luxurious, one of the most perspicacious, one of the most opulent, stylish, lavish showrooms in the country right now, and that's the Range Rover showroom. So make sure you guys watch this video to the end, because we're gonna check out some cars and some really nice whips. You dig? Whips! It's like a whip, man, like a whip like that, nigga. These things don't drive, they glide. It's just a difference, you dig? It's a difference. Let's check these cars out. Let's get it. Hey, yo, where the keys at, bro? I need to check the inside.
So as a sales executive,
I was actually expecting suicide doors. This is beautiful, man. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another channel. Oh shit. Welcome to another video. Make sure. So a big shout out to you watching this video and my 10 subscribers. I love you guys. I'm ready, you guys coming up. I'm getting serious with these YouTube guys. Like, I'm actually getting serious. I feel it. I love it. I love it. Alright, see you guys next week. You know what, guys? If you feel inside today, don't worry. Just make sure you watch this vlog till the end and you'll find some free airtime. Make sure you guys subscribe. We are going car shopping today at one of the most luxurious, one of the most perspicacious, one of the most opulent, stylish, lavish showrooms in the country right now, and that's the Range Rover showroom. So make sure you guys watch this video till the end, because we're gonna check out some cars and some really nice whips. You dig? Whips! It's like a whip, man, like a whip like that, nigga. These things don't drive, they glide. It's just a difference, you dig? It's a difference. Let's check these cars out. Alright, boys, we're up in here now. Woo! Damn. Alright, guys, so we're at the Range Rover showroom just along British Road near the China College then. That's where we are right now. Alright, so this one right here, this one's the Range Rover Evoque. It's the Range Rover Evoque, and I think this one is going for around, if I'm not mistaken, this one is going for around $135,000. That's the price tag on this one. 0 mileage. This is a brand new car, totally brand new. And then on the other side, we have something a little cheaper. That's the Range Rover Discovery Sport. This one is the Range Rover Discovery Sport, and it's going for around $69,000 or $69,200. Discovery Sport, brand new, super slick, super nice car, super gorgeous if you ask me. Really nice car, guys.
Right, and then just right behind me we have the Range Rover. Yeah, this one's super slick, guys. Super slick, super slick. All right, maybe we should go check out jugs. All right, guys. So this is the monster. This one's a freaking monster. This one's what we call the Jaguar F-Type. The Jaguar F-Type, super slick car. It's a sports car in the same category as Maserati, the Lamborghini Huracan, and also the Ferrari 48. Same category, same specs. This car can literally move, or rather go, from 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds, which is crazy. So it's super fast, has an amazing big ass hood, and the price tag on this one is $126,000. $126,000, guys. That's the price tag on this amazing, beautiful car. Super slick, super nice. I mean, it's just dope, guys. It's amazing. All right, let me show you guys the inside. I can show you guys the inside. Hey, yo, bro. Hey, what? Hey, where are the keys at? Alright, guys, so let me take you guys through. Let me take you guys in. This is a car that really excited me once I got the car proposals. This is a car that really caught my eye, caught my attention. I was hooked in a second. The only problem is it's $126,000. I don't have $26,000. But anyway, this car is slick. It has buttons everywhere. Super amazing, super nice, super slick Jaguar F-Type. You guys should research that. The price of this car is literally the same price as the Bentley Continental in Dubai. I don't know why cars are cheap in Dubai, but yeah, you can buy a Bentley Continental for $126,000 exactly. It will look super slick, super lit. Well, the limit speed on this Jaguar is actually 300, so yeah, it's a really nice car. Super nice, super slick. But let me show you guys the other cars that they have in the showroom. Alright, so this one in red right here, this one is the Jaguar E-Pace. It's a Jaguar E-Pace. This one, really nice SUV, super cool, super slick. And this one is going for around $68,000, $68,700. So yeah, guys, every car in this showroom is worth more than $1 million, Zambian kwacha. And this one right here was, I think, kind of like my choice. This car right here, this is what we call the Jaguar XE. It's literally, I think there are actually less than 10 of these in the country right now because it's new. Most people have the X, but this one's the XE. It's going for around $64,500 or $64,500. Yeah, that's the price of the Jaguar XE. Super slick cars, and that's the Jaguar X. And they have a whole bunch of Jaguar X's around, popped up everywhere. People came for servicing and whatever. But yeah, guys, so this is amazing. Super nice cars, super slick, amazing. All right, let's go outside. Yeah, guys, so for those of you that want to drive cars like Rovers or Jags, make sure you guys work hard. Make sure you guys have your own business to keep the money flowing. I mean, the cheapest car in that showroom is probably 2-point-something million Zambian kwacha. You know, that's the cheapest car. So not a lot of people can afford that, but that bunch of people that can afford those cars, because there are always a bunch of people servicing cars there, but you know, the difference is just, the gap is huge between the rich and the poor and all of that stuff. So make sure you guys focus, work. So yeah, guys, you guys stay blessed. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And yeah, stay blessed.